4K digital camera, 64 megapixel. It supports up to 256 gigabyte. And by the way, comes with super angle and macro. I'm going to show you how this camera works. Great camera for a YouTuber. We're going to connect this right into the computer. I'm going to show you the video output. And also we went to the park and we create some cool video just to show how the whole thing works right now. How we doing, everyone? I'm Dario and this is MEDIABOXENT. Like always, we bring you the latest in technology. And today, a 4K digital camera. Now, this will be a great camera if you start in creating videos in YouTube and you don't want to go and spend hundreds of dollars in video cameras. So this is great. Not only you can connect it, use it as a webcam, we can control this with the phone. And not only that, now you just can go take the camera, take pictures and video in a 4K resolution. Now, exactly what you get with this. So you get two lenses. So you get the macro lens and also the wide angle lens. I'm going to show you. We're going to do some good tests with this real time. Show the caps and all the unit for the lens. USB Type A to C for charging. And it comes with the power adapter, by the way. I don't have it with me right now, but it comes with the power adapter. So, here's the camera in a simple manual just to follow. And by the way, the information how you get the application running, download it Android or Apple, download it on your phone, and now you can control the camera with the app. And I'm going to show you how that works. And yes, an extra battery. All right, so now let's look at details of the camera. We can see this one is a fixed length in 64 megapixel, 4K, 30 frames per second, and we can go all the way to 720, 60 frames per second. Allow you to flip the screen. Perfect for selfie. Right in the top, we can change the mode from in picture mode, and video mode, slow motion, and much more. All right, so this is the shot, and this is powered on. We look in this way, zoom, right, play, delete pictures, and to navigate in the menu. For the battery, it's on this side, and right the other side, USB Type C and macro USB. So let's turn it on. Comes on pretty fast. Get the welcome message. So right in the front of the screen, right now we are in a picture mode. So we see we are at 64 megapixel. Give you all that plenty of information the way you set up the camera. It's not touch screen, by the way, but it's pretty easy to navigate. And the nice thing is the pencil mode. Every time you move it, it will let you know what mode you are now. So this is picture mode and video mode. So when you record at the same time, it goes and takes one picture. Let's keep navigating. Loop format. Let's go to the next one. This is 4K 30 frames per second. Later on, I'm going to show you right from the app. It's super easy to configure the camera from the app. I think is the best. Now we hit menu, and then from the menu we can go and make the changes. White balance, filter. If you want some type of filter, you can use that, or you can just whatever software you're using. You can always add some type of filter. It's pretty simple. If you go into the side, we can rotate the image how you want this. Connection or Wi-Fi, 50 to 60 hertz. That's the frequency of the lighting. That's only for pictures. LED on, and we can control all these things right from the application. So the first thing we need to do is just connect into the camera. So we're going to hit the Wi-Fi, internet, and we're going to look for 4K Wi-Fi. We go back over there, and we're going to go back into the application, and we connect to the camera. And as you see, we are connected to the camera. We want to take a video, so automatically the camera taking the video. We want to switch to a photo. The next thing we switch to a photo. What kind of mode you want? Slow motion, time-lapse, loop recording. So in this case, it's video. Always in photo before. So video, and switch to photo now. So photo, take a photo. See auto photo, continue shot, or timer. So we hit the photo. We hit right there, and we can see we can focus right over there. So super simple. And I think you can definitely do about 20 feet. I'll not test that, but you can do 20 feet. And you see the information right there, even, how much space you have in the memory. Now, the next thing with this is you can config super simple. And while you make the change here, the change will happen there. So if you see, you can set it the way you want it. Maybe you want to balance, Sonic Cloud, or you want to just leave it auto. So you can make all the changes right, and even format the memory card, or even just reset the camera from a factory reset. All right. So we want to make a change on video. So I'm going to hit video. I'm going to leave the video there, and then the resolution, and I want to show you that. So you see 4K, 2K 30 frame, 1080 60 frame, 1080 30 frame, 120, 720. So you have all these different resolution you can control, and again, you can go and make the changes the way you want it. I think it's great, and it's nice. You can set this on a tripod. You can use this, to take selfies, or just to control the camera from far away. I will say definitely 20 feet away. I think it's a great benefit, control the camera this way. So let's go now and connect this on the computer, and I want to show you this real time. But first, I want to show you this. So we had three choices. So we had charger mode, mass storage, because maybe you want to remove the pictures out of the camera without going and taking the memory out. So it becomes simple, right? You plug it in, it shows the disk right in your computer, and move your files. PC camera, that's what we look at. I think it's a great camera for YouTube. Let me show you this now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to change the screen, and that's what you see right now is from the camera. See, we're getting, and I show you here so you can see. So you're getting the output from this camera. I think it's great. Now, what I want to show you now, and we're going to do the macro. So we're going to use this as an example. I'm going to put this way. Okay. And I'm going to try to get up to there. I get it a little better. I think it has to go a little. Yeah, there. So let's change camera so we can see the distance right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and put the macro. And you can see the difference already, right? Didn't move the camera yet, so we can get much closer. It will not. The other lens will not allow me. See, so if you're looking for a detail, we can just get real close. I think that's how much close I can get. Can I get closer than that? No. I think that's about. All right. So it's macro. So now we're going to be changing lens. So we're going to be testing the wide angle. So we have to put these two together so you guys can see the difference. So I'm going to go and just put in the front of that. Do you see that? You see that? So this is what I'm doing. I want to show you. Just I'm not screwing all the way, but enough for you to see the difference. I'm real close to this, but when you are in an open space, it's going to show you different. I'm going to show you in the video in a second. You guys can see the difference. Now remember this fix, and then you have to go and use the macro plus the wide angle together to get that result. So now let's go and let's check the video I recorded in the park. I think it's great. Once again, right? If you're a beginner, I think it's a great camera will be the links right below this video. And once again, if you know anyone who needs this type of camera, share the video. Leave me a comment what you think about this video, and like can go far away as well too. Once again, I'm Dario, and this is MEDIABOXENT. I'll see you next time in another great camera video. All right, see you next time. Bye.